balance between respecting the historic components and counterpointing that with contemporary elements.
Blackhouse Farm has been around for 400 years in the exact same location. It's very much a landscape of the South Downs National Park in that it's an agricultural working landscape. The building has actually been dated, the first part to 1620 and the second part to 1650. So it's seen a lot of history. It's a yeoman's farmhouse and has a U-shaped farmstead around it. My requirement from Robin originally was always to retain that, but to repurpose it now as a dwelling.
There was a process of trying to understand what was historically authentic and valid and worthy of retaining. We can enjoy the presence of all of that history around us in this barn, for example. But in counterpoint to that, and to complement it, the new things that we introduced has a very clean, crisp, contemporary identity. Doesn't feel as if we're imposing on how you move through spaces. Buildings that were made for those agricultural purposes were not so finely designed. They were flexible, they were open, they were adaptable.
Having a bedroom in the farmhouse and coming down to this, I think is the nicest part to it. Sleeping in a 400-year-old bedroom and then coming down here to have an espresso. You're still circulating in that U-shape. There isn't that hierarchy of staircases and bedrooms and libraries and wings, etc. The setting is quite magical. One of the greatest attractions is the calm that it has just naturally by being down a long track, up a small hill. It's slightly elevated. On 3 sides, it has ancient woodlands. On 2 other sides, farmland. The nearest other building you can't see as far as you look.
There's been no corners cut. Every aspect of the project has been considered.